So bump and grind. Bump and grind is a combination of two burlesque moves that usually right after each other. That's why we have this term, bump and grind. And first, people or dancers usually do a grind, which are going to be followed with a bump, mostly. So let's start with the grind. In case of the grind, you basically just draw circles with your hip. So you could do it also by facing in front. I just prefer to do this from the side. I think it looks more expressive that way. So you just draw a circle. So in case of the bump, you are just going to push your hip hard to the side, like this. You see? That's also a good idea if you place your other hand, the hand on the other side on your head, and you just push it hard. So basically, when you want to push a door wide open, obviously the door is not locked or not closed, but it's open, but you want to push it much more wide open. So that's a good image to imagine. So that was it. So this was the bump and grind video, bump and grind tutorial. I hope you found it useful and had fun at the same time. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel to stay notified when another video comes live. I am going to post videos on every Thursdays from now on, but it's also best to subscribe because that's going to help me to grow and reach other people who are interested in learning burlesque or having a showgirl workout experience. So that's all about it. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and see you next time. Bye bye.